Hi, I'm Teacher Aaron. Welcome to my story time. Boys and girls, do you like to ride on a train? Choo-choo! I do. I think riding on a train is very cool. Today, our story is going on a train ride. Boys and girls, look at the picture. What can you see? How many trees can you see? I can see 1, 2 trees. 2 trees and 1 boy. 1 happy boy. Today, our story is going on a train ride. I like trains. I am going on a train ride. Boys and girls, can you see a bear in the picture? Roar! I can. What kind of bear is it? Yes, that's right. It's a teddy bear. My dad likes trains. He can go on the train ride too. Boys and girls, Dad is in a wheelchair. Is Dad sitting or standing? Dad is sitting. Dad is sitting in a wheelchair. My sister likes trains. My sister can come on the train too. Boys and girls, what is the little girl wearing? Yes, that's right. She's wearing a dress. What color is the dress? Very good. Her dress is pink. My big brother can ride on the train. He likes trains. Boys and girls, what is the big brother carrying? Yes, very good. He is carrying a backpack. B-A-C-K-P-A-C-K. A backpack. My Gram can ride on the train too. She loves trains. Boys and girls, what is Gram carrying in her hand? Gram is carrying a purse. P-U-R-S-E. A purse. Gramps can come with us too. Boys and girls, what color is Grandpa's shirt? Yes, very good. His shirt is red. And Bear likes trains. He can ride on the train too. Boys and girls, what is around Bear's neck? What is on Bear's neck? Yes, it's a scarf. S-C-A-R-F. A scarf is on Bear's neck. Choo-choo! Boys and girls, a train says choo-choo. Look at the picture. How many people can you see? Yes, that's right. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people. Boys and girls, let's go on a train ride. I'm Teacher Aaron. Thank you for reading a story with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.